Make coconut ice for an enjoyable sweet treat or even a gift. In a large bowl, place 3 cups of desiccated coconut. Sift 2 cups of icing sugar. Pour in 1 395 gram tin of condensed milk, a pinch of cream of tartar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Stir to combine. Line a square 23 by 23 cm tin with baking paper. Add half of the coconut ice mixture to the lined tin. Press the coconut ice evenly using the back of a spoon. I use 5 to 6 drops of pink food colouring. Mix the food colouring and coconut ice mixture. I prefer to wear a glove and mix by hand. Place the pink coconut ice on top of the white coconut ice. Press the mixture using the back of a spoon. Refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Remove from fridge and cut as desired. Like, subscribe and leave a comment.